Welcome to GPCA TV. I'm John Baker of ISIS. I'm talking to Patrick Thomas, Chairman of the Board of Biomaterial Science. Patrick, where do you see the main opportunities for chemical producers to drive innovation that will help sustainability today?
Well, I think, John, the issue is that the market drives sustainability, and in biomaterial science we look at that from the point of view of people, planet, profit as our interpretation of what is more sustainable. And that's what's actually driving the chemical industry. So if you think about the phone market, you can now go online and check out the carbon footprint of every make of smartphone, and consumers are making decisions. So the companies that come to us to design materials for that market are looking to see carbon footprint data. So they're looking to see companies that can make materials in an energy efficient way and who have materials that are having a very low carbon footprint. So I think the big opportunity for innovation is to turn sustainability into your innovation strategy. And that's what we've done within our company. We've embedded it firmly within the strategy.
And how does biomaterial science prioritize its innovation in these areas?
Well, we really use the 3 Ps, people, planet, profit. And we have a very simple rule that says that we can be neutral on any one or more of those axes, but we cannot be negative on any of them. So that is a criteria that's used in our innovation pipeline portfolio management tool. It's how we drive our portfolio of innovation projects, and at the end of the day that's how we look at the impact of our future pipeline of innovations on the society.
Can you say where you're most active at the moment?
Well, I'm very enthusiastic at the moment about what I call C1 chemistry, so using single carbon atom molecules as a starting point for polymer chains. And as you know, we've had some success already with proving the economic and technical viability of using carbon dioxide as a replacement for propylene oxide in making some of the raw materials for polyurethanes. And we're currently building a world-scale production facility to make these CO2-based polyols. And we've already produced bedding mattresses, car seating using those materials, and it has perfect technical performance. So I think that will be a very important step. The whole idea of C1 chemistry is very exciting because you even in America at the moment have shale gas being flared because the shale liquids are more valuable and the gas infrastructure is inadequate. So free or very low cost carbon dioxide or methane start to become very, very interesting building blocks to do something a bit better than just turning them into methanol or sequestering them into the ground.
So you've been very closely involved with the Solar Impulse solar-powered plane. Can you explain how this helps your innovation drive and also sustainability, and how you use this to communicate to the public?
Yeah, well, for us, Solar Impulse is like a flying laboratory. Because Solar Impulse only needs one of every component, we're able to develop significant technical resource on getting, for example, the cockpit of the plane perfected. And that's led us to invent a completely new class of insulation material using polyurethane as the basic chemistry. But that's what will insulate Bertrand Piccard as he flies around the world and avoids the need for any air conditioning or heating system in the cockpit at all, even though the exterior temperature is going between plus or minus 30 degrees, or even more extreme at high altitudes and through day and night. So those sort of challenges really take you to the limit. We then take that material and take it into the refrigeration industry and can apply it directly to the food chain, where we can then get triple-star refrigerators with very thin walls, 40% less cost because there's no vacuum panels. You know, the whole system can then change. So driven by Solar Impulse, we're able to develop new materials, much lighter weight materials, much more efficient materials, and then transfer that know-how into the markets we're familiar with. And we enjoy working with Bertrand and Andre. We get on very well with them. Some of the partners provide money, we provide very lightweight materials, and that's our partnership, and that's how Solar Impulse will fly around the world next year, starting in Abu Dhabi.
Thank you very much.